register or unregister for events, and check your personal schedule. Start by opening a web browser and going to Parkland School Division's main website, psd.ca. Once you're on the home page, scroll to the bottom of the page. In the bottom right corner, click PD Calendar. This link will take you directly to the Sched platform. In the top right corner of Sched, click Login. Choose Sign in with Google and use your PSD Google account. Once you're signed in, your name will appear in the upper right corner. Along the top menu, select Schedule. This displays the list of upcoming professional learning sessions. You'll see session titles, times, and descriptions. When you find a session you're interested in, click its title to open the full event details. If the session has space available, you'll see the Add to My Schedule button. Clicking this will register you, and the button will update to show that you're added. If the session is full, it will be marked as full in the schedule. You can still click the session to open its details. When you select Add to My Schedule, Sched will place you on the wait list and show a message indicating that you are waitlisted. If you do not see any message saying that you're on the wait list, you are fully registered and the session will appear in your personal schedule. If you register for a session but later realize you cannot attend, please take the moment to unregister. This helps open space for colleagues who may be on the wait list. To unregister, return to the session page and click Remove from My Schedule. Your registration or waitlist spot will be released immediately. To see all the sessions you're currently registered for, click My Schedule in the top right menu. This page shows your complete list of events and also offers print and export options. You now know all you need to know to access and navigate Sched platform. Thank you for watching. If you need additional assistance, please contact Instructional Services.
Parkland School Division, where the world opens up.